Dreams aren't just random brain noise. They're your mind plugging into a universal power source. Science proves we can survive on little sleep, but without dreams, our minds break down completely. That's because dreaming isn't just rest, it's recharging from something bigger than ourselves. Think about it. Every night, your consciousness connects to something powerful enough to maintain your sanity and cognitive function. What if this source is actually a higher consciousness trying to communicate with us? Your dreams might be more than just echoes of your day. They could be messages from a universal mind we all tap into when we sleep. Maybe the real question isn't what your dreams mean, but who's sending them.